Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, hi, this is yours truly, Steve8979. Here we have a fairly sized box. Not sure how freaking big it is, I don't know. But I have a knife, not to scare you, but well, you obviously know. Maybe some of you know what this is, but here we go. I'm going to surprise you. This box has been through like the levels of all heck. However, didn't do it the best. Suck it. Wrap it. It's like Christmas morning. Yeah. There they are. The RS3LR horn. Nice, eh? They're nice. Reminds me of the Three Stooges. Conrail tune. Leslie RS3L. They're dirty. There they are. Look at that, dude. These go on locomotive horns. Or on engines. Look at that. There's your spike backs. Alright. Turn it over. There's the connection right there. If you can see that. Am I filming this? Yes, I am. Yep, there's the diesel exhaust. There's the connection. Your 25 bell, your 44, and your 31. I'm going to obviously switch all these around because I want to. I don't want them all facing forward. But, Leslie Super Typhoons. Oh yeah, frick. Oh yeah, these things are nice. Thanks guys. Appreciate it.
Keep it on a cardboard.
Yeah, I will. Wow. They still have the cake done. Inside the trumpet, still diesel exhaust in there.
Change your shirt.
Is it on my shirt? No. It's not. But, alright, let me give you guys a nice little look on these puppies. Got some, they still have some of the Conrail paint on them because they came from Tennessee, so, and where in Tennessee?
New Tazewell.
New Tazewell, okay. So that's near Chattanooga. So that's a big railroad. That's NS, so I mean they're probably off of an NS engine. God knows what it came off of. It's obviously behind the exhaust stack or in front because of all the caked on. Yeah, there's a lot of it. It's like a freaking chimney. But yeah, these guys need some work, but that's what I'm here for. So here's my horns. Thanks for watching, guys, and obviously I have to change the connection here because that's probably not going to do, so we'll change that. We'll make this thing sound like a beauty. Scare some middle schoolers. So, alright, thanks for watching. See you guys.